So we don't need instructions.
How's it going? What's going on, fellas?
Winter has arrived.
Winter is here, but not gonna stop us from doing what we're gonna do to this Jeep right now. Well, it's not gonna be that fast, but
Might start our darker buddy, but it won't stop us.
it's not gonna stop us here. No way, it's not. You'll
He hates
see.
the cold. He's a southern guy.
I'm warm weather, bro. My blood is warm all the time. See?
Insulation.
You know how long it's taken me to do that, bro? It's taken me 27 years to do that, dude. It doesn't come fast. It doesn't come, yeah, it can come fast, but then you're gonna have a heart attack, you're gonna have breathing problems, which I probably do right now, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. Snore super fucking loud. I mean, snore loud.
Sleep apnea.
Sleep apnea. But hey, I mean, I do eat good, I'll tell you that.
Alright, so check it out, guys. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna install this lift kit for this 2017 Cherokee, right? For a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. You see, we already got this wheel and tire package, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick look, see how it looks at stock ride height, and then we'll do another one when it's up in there. That's good. Straight, straight. Hold on, let me. Alright guys, got this side off already. Start zipping everything off.
I'm working on here, bro.
Fucking guy.
My impact gun, bro. That shit.
So, before I got interrupted, take off the axle nut, upper and lower ball joints, tie rod ends, sway bar end links already taken out because we did it from the other side, and caliper. And we're gonna handle this. Is that my daughter?
Tony, yo, can you hand me that white marker?
Everything's right up there by the Arizona.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here? Just tightening up the nuts real quick. Compressed spring. Had to put a little Loctite on these so they don't come off, and just tighten them all up.
This is the lift, right?
It's a spacer, yeah. So you have to take it off because it has two spacers. It's pretty trick. It's one on the inside. You has to keep your load, whatever the fuck that means. I just thought you were just trying not to bust, but yeah. kind of hard to get a torque wrench, so we're gonna get that good old elbow torque. Look, let me just give you a demonstration. You gotta get your wrench, appropriate angle, and then your elbow has to be right here. Look, check it out. And then you go to tighten it and click, click. Did you see it? Did you hear that noise that my elbow made? That's when you know it's click, click, elbow torque.
Where's this from?
Rough country suspension. Yeah, this is a JK.
Damn, you put the band there right there?
That's my sister.
That's my sister.
That's the only way she puts this. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it.
Oh shit.
Should we put like some 5-inch spacers on the Jeep?
Oh, fuck it. You only live once.
What is your job title? Or what is your job description right here at the GK Garage?
Editor. Got the
Chief.
media.
I say editor-in-chief.
Editor-in-chief.
Of what?
GK
Media.
Garage.
GK Garage
What do you
Media.
have here? What do you have here? Oh, you got a new phone? Oh, one's for business and one's for what?
For the hose.
Well, that's how it feels. Alright guys, welcome back. Just finished installing the lift on this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It took us greater part of the day because we didn't have the right things, and we had to go to the shop to go get all the tools. It was a very long day. It's been so long, I'm gonna show you. It was light out when we started. Now we have a few inches of snow and it's dark. How long was it, Chepo? Like,
It was like about 6.5 hours, 6 hours.
yeah, so
But it's a lot higher, I'll tell you that.
yeah. Let's close the garage so we can get better light. But yeah. So let's give us the specs, Chepo. Tell us what it is.
So the specs are, so before, I'm not too sure, well, you'll probably be able to see it on the pictures. Before, I could never even put my hand, that's how low it was, and now, I mean, it's pretty much double my fist. So now let me fist this wrist line
fister now.
right here, see? Check it out, so look at all that much that it's raised itself from the front mainly and in the back as well. Not as much, but quite a bit, and that's what I wanted, to be honest. It looks cool, I like it.
You happy with it, bud?
Big time.
Hell
Big
yeah.
time. But as far as the installation, like Chewy said, it was just stuff that we didn't have. A lot of stuff didn't go as long as we planned, but we got it done. And yeah.
So up front, I don't know if you guys can see, it's a spacer, and inside of the shock tower, it's another spacer. So it says for comforting or some bullshit, I don't know. Fucking, I don't read the instructions. Who gives a fuck? I'm a doctor, you know? And this is a 10-inch lift. The rears, you can't even see jack. We'll probably jack it up. We'll do another video on it when we do the 500-mile bolt check. But yeah, looks way taller. Way taller.
So tomorrow we have got an appointment at Les Schwab to get an alignment done, just because I don't want to ruin anything. It's still a newer car. And from there, I mean, it should be fine. We got a lot of snow. Should be good. I mean, it's a lot more clearance now from what it was before. Other than that, that Jeep life, bro.
Jeep.
That Jeep life.
Jeep, when the fuck did you start using inverted torque spits? Go fuck yourself.
They're confused. 10 mils. This is American.
Yeah,
This is American. Why is it using a 10 mil?
Fucking 10 mil, man.
It should be like I don't know.
E40 bits? Really? I had to go to the shop to get my E40 bits? Like,
So yeah, just to give you guys a heads up, it wasn't one that you could just probably buy at the store. You probably have to go either.
yeah, I had to go get my Blue Point set from work. Cause, the fuck, man. Oh, my bad. It was a E22. E22 though? Seriously?
E22. So if you can't find those, go to your local Snap-on guy. Or yeah.
And it's a little weird for being a mid-sized car. It has a 32 millimeter axle nut,
Yes, 32 mil.
like Hondas.
Yeah, and I happen to have that.
Yeah, we got lucky. Chepo had it, but
Cause look, check it out. There's no jokes. Oh, and we used the torque.
torque.
You hear that?
Click, click.
See, look, 32 right here.
Yeah.
That was that. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, so we could replace it with.
Hopes and dreams, I guess. What the fuck?
Makes no sense, but I mean, it's done, man. Happy with it. It took a little longer than expected, but hey, it's all there.
We'll give you guys an update once it's done. And we're hungry.
We're hungry. We're gonna
tired.
go home. We're gonna go eat some sushi at the house.
See you later, guys.